Sabihin mo yan, ganyan yung boses mo, bumubulong.
Damn.
Damn.
Nakakabanas. Sana mabuluran ka.
Lincoln, show me conducting city patrol.
320 to dispatch, please be advised. You have an active 1090 at Neeland Sandy Shore. Kindly check that.
Firm 359 Lincoln, 76 to the latest call of 1090.
Firm. Into another same traffic.
Sayayi! Sayayi!
Tara!
Oh, coming.
359 Lincoln, does anyone need an Adam?
Nandiyan si Don Pablo sa PD garage mo.
I got Don Pablo. 32076 Neeland. Status 1090.
P66 Henry. Same traffic.
I think ang dami respond.
Go lang. I think kulang pa tayo. Or any stock pa.
Kailangan nyo na lang kung ano nandun natin.
If 5 shops, isa na lang magkuha ng hostage. Don,
Yes, sir.
balita ko crush mo daw si Ma'am Riz.
What? Where you got that information, sir?
Feeling ko lang.
It depends. No, just kidding. Just kidding. I think mommy's very strict. She very strict.
Ganun talaga, sa una strict. Siyempre, palalambutin mo nga eh.
Oh, yeah, actually too. No.
Right?
It's actually too. When it's hard, you have to make it calm down.
321, 1023 at the latest 1090 in Sandy Shores. You have a visual of an orange in color Sultan, Tagalog.
Sorry sir, nagbabol.
Why do we have an officer down?
Why? What?
Oh, never mind.
Why taloy?
That's yung ano ko eh, sorry.
37, did any one of you respond on the 4-door red and color car?
10-9?
Meron ba sa inyo nakapag-respond sa 1090? 4-door red and color na kotse?
Red, we have a visual na 4-door orange. Sultan.
What is the name of the hostage?
359 to dispatch, they have 2 hostage.
Oh, how?
Positive ito yung hinahanap.
Very sure.
What's the prior on that?
Ma'am, what's the prior doon?
9?
Ano daw prior doon? Bakit daw hinahanap mo?
Someone is here in PD. Report about yung kasamahan niya. Dalawa. Hostage. I
Firm?
think that's them.
Ay, firm, sir. Solid ka. Tama ba yan?
What's that?
Doon?
I didn't see
Try
you.
nyo, i-negotiate na kunin nyo yung isang hostage, otherwise di kayo kukuha ng demand. Yan yung ginawa namin before.
Who is speaking?
If I'm in the dispatch, according to the hostages, they come in package.
Wow.
Like if one gets hostage, the other should also.
So, ano, buy one get one, ganun.
Something like that.
Safer.
Tapos po,
What is the name of the hostage?
Madam, tulungan mo ko yung hindi ko pisil na itong magnanakaw.
Yung ano?
Itong dibdib ko, oh. Kita mo ba?
Ow.
Ano naman sir kasi pinipisil yung dibdib niya sir. Ano hinahawakan sir?
Bagong gawa yan, madam. Bagong gawa.
Parang hinihimas ah.
Tulungan niyo din po ako.
So, stop this nonsense.
Madam, ako din po. Help me.
What the fuck?
Submit them for 110.8. Any active? Hey firm, we have an active 1090 here at Milan, Sandy Shore.
You might get wet.
Attaching me to that call, responding code 3 high. Hey firm, call responder here at
Hello?
the latest 1090
Ilan po yung
at
suspect?
Milan.
I think 3. Potential 3.
Do you copy?
Oh, you might get wet, ma'am.
Sabi after, 1.1 ha?
Okay, so.
Ayun mo si Mamo.
Oh, you might get wet. Put umbrella on you.
Yan, mababasa si Ma'am. Ayun mo.
Keiko.
You have beautiful hair.
Sa game hindi. Sa stream yan, ISP problem. Sorry chat, lag muna ako. Sana mamaya hindi na lag.
Kasi nung kukuha ng hostage, pasabi na lang na after makuha yung hostage, bring them to PD.
Sige.
Ay, Aris.
Package nga sila.
Alright. Tama. Nalisira siya. Ay, ganito, 1.1 tayo. Tapos, once na makuha daw yung mga hostage, kindly bring them to PD.
Okay.
Kasi may nag-aantay sa nila.
Okay.
Alright.
Anong kotse po ito?
Sultan.
Tagalog.
Hindi, hindi
Lalagay
to
ko na.
Tagalog.
Di ba
Sultan lang
Tagalog?
to.
Okay.
Sultan lang.
Ilalagay ko na lang sa evidence yung
Tatandaan niya,
Tinadis.
pagka, yung Sultan Tagalog, yung
Ano
likely
pong
yung
name,
hood.
ma'am?
ilalagay ko dyan. Dalawa yun.
Sige.
T99 to dispatch, we advise all responders to latest 1090 in Sandy Shores, switch to 1.1 frequency.
10-2.
Suspects informed me that they're done. All units, can you please double time?
How many they are? The suspects?
3.
Ay na doon, lakad ka ng lakad eh.
I'm sorry, sir. I was putting umbrella on Mom V's.
Tignan mo, hindi na nagalaw ko. Mukhang ayaw niya na talaga magpalagay ng umbrella.
I think. Sir, can I get your broken radio first here? I'll put my other vest very heavy because
Yeah, no problem, bro.
because Sir Jotunheim give me food a while ago. Very heavy.
Ayan. Tapon mo na dyan sa tabi.
No, I need food. So, are we ready to chase that? Are we good?
Yeah.
Whose
Ay,
prime are
dyan
we?
na po si Sir Mark.
Saan na pupunta?
Is she officer, intern, recruit, cadet, no, sir?
Is she she's cadet.
Cadet.
Yeah, that's the
Kamagulong
uniform of
G.
the cadet, the long sleeve one.
Oh.
You understand,
Yes, sir.
brother?
Yes. I just finished my exam last night, sir.
Oh, what happened?
I don't know yet. Solo Vendor said he will give me information this next day, which is today. And he just woke up, so I hope.
Oh, you don't know the result pa.
Yes, I don't know, but I'm very confident. I gotta be right.
Yeah. That's good. That's good.
Very good training officers, everyone,
Yeah.
except
You
except for
think,
one.
that's pasada na?
I think I'm very confident. All training officers that I've been with, the higher officers are good, except for one.
Who?
So Ryan.
Sir Hans.
Yes.
Fucking dumb shit.
Yes, because we responded to 1071 and then we left the what do you call this? We picked up the individual, the victim, brought him to the hospital, then just left and went off
Did
duty.
you check are all units here?
Affirm.
A firm. I will be getting their demands. I want all units to be ready.
Hello,
Who's this,
Sir
sir?
Lorenzo.
Oh, sir, good morning, good morning.
Good morning,
Ano to,
sir.
Primary?
Please be advised,
Nah,
suspect
negative.
demands are
Hang on.
passage and no spike strips. Who's taking primary?
So Mike,
Primary.
Taking primary.
Gusto mo? Hop?
I'll be taking primary. I'll be taking.
A firm secondary.
3 to 0, gonna take secondary. We're gonna take secondary.
A firm. The rest take tertiary and parallel. 359 Lincoln will secure the hostage.
No, but you're supposed to get the
I'll be giving
hostage.
them the green light to go.
Oh no.
Be advised, suspects are leaving. The driver is the one wearing the red suit.
Okay, iwanan mo yung kasama mo.
Affirm. Secondary will be taking comms. We advise the suspect is heading southwestbound, Alhambra Drive. Made a left turn. Good block. Still heading southeastbound, Panorama Drive. Still same route, southeastbound, Panorama Drive. Still on Panorama Drive, heading eastbound. Made a right turn, Senora Freeway, heading southwestbound. Still heading southbound.
Tuturuan kita doon ha.
Oh, yes sir, yes sir.
Once on the chase, pagka alam mo secondary ka, huwag ka masyado madikit sa primary. Kailangan may distance ka. Pero yung distance mo dapat, once na mag-pack up siya, madali maka-recover.
Affirm.
Hey, firm.
Still heading southbound, Senora Freeway. Yes sir, understood. Thank you, thank you. Sorry, the transition to Los Santos Freeway. Yes sir, I hope so. I hope so I can catch criminal with the vehicle seat. Still heading southbound, Los Santos Freeway.
Break. Please be advised, the safe is open.
Hey, firm.
Affirm. Still heading southwestbound of Los Santos Freeway. Took the off ramp. Made a right turn. Off-road. Heading southwestbound. Elgin Avenue.
Pag primary ka, huwag kang
Made
didistraction ng
right
ganyan.
turn. Heading westbound. Understood, sir. Still heading westbound. Clinton Avenue. Made a left turn. Heading southbound. Made a right turn. Vinewood Boulevard. Heading westbound. Another right turn. Passing by Appomattox. Made a left turn. Heading westbound. Dijon Drive.
Tertiary Abanto.
Affirm.
Advance to picture perfect.
Still heading westbound. Dijon Drive. Primary take comes on now. We're currently long ice.
Primary taking ko. Suspect turn left on Milton
That
Road.
fucking
southwest
local,
bound.
sir.
Yeah.
So good. How good
Hello,
blocking.
wala ko,
Now at
bits na.
picture perfect drive westbound.
That's the best seal blocking I've ever felt.
Westbound. Left. Stable drive eastbound. To right. Off-road. Expressway southeast.
Secondary
Southwest
Daily
West
Transport.
Boulevard southeastbound. Turn to right. Marcala Drive southbound.
Secondary Daily Homes is bound for Coda Drive, rapid opposite in trouble. You can left turn near inbound for Coda District. Left turn near northbound Dorset Drive. Another. A firm, nice block, southbound Carcerway, opposite lane. Okay, left turn near southbound Dorset Drive. Reaching Lotus Carway. Left leg at the westbound, right, Heritage Way, opposite lane. Another right, northbound Morton Avenue. Make sure you wanna do secondary.
Affirm. On your left.
Secondary taking comms. Heading southbound. Palomino Avenue. Made a left turn. Heading eastbound. Nanjas Avenue. Still heading eastbound. Approaching Low Powell Street. Made a left turn. Scratch that. Still heading eastbound. Still heading eastbound. San Andreas Avenue. Made a right turn. Heading southbound. Strawberry Avenue. Made another right turn. Heading westbound. Good block. Passing by apartments. Made a left turn alleyway. Advance 1. Made a right turn. Heading Power Street. Primary take comes for now. Currently long ice.
Primary taking comms. Now at eastbound. First right. Alta Street northbound.
Huwag kang ganyan.
Turn
Huwag
and
kang
alleyway.
ulit. Pag-uuli natin. Sabihin mo muna, break.
Number 50.
A firm, sir.
Turn left. Vespucci Boulevard. Westbound.
Break. Secondary will be taking comms. Centered Red Garage. Exiting north side. Made a right turn. Entering garage. 50, still mobile.
Advance to low power.
Paper number.
Ang ipis mo, Chong.
Middle.
Ang ipis mo, Tol. Ipis mo. Talon ka muna, talon ka
How
muna.
many shops are you?
Currently 3.
Currently 3 shots.
Firm.
Go, go.
Be advised, suspect is on the go.
Go, go, pipi.
Be advised, suspect is not moving. Suspect once again is on the road.
Advancing ako sa yun. Scratch. They're going up.
Secondary currently no ice.
Ah, but
20
David Street, David Street.
aim in the rock. Take the left off-road, approaching White Garage. Currently, no, I expect din may nabing White Garage. Yep, possible White Garage. Currently, check. Try to conduct code 6 White Garage, and I'm gonna conduct code 6 here at the construction near the plaza.
Well done. Hello chat, sorry kung malag.
Check na White Garage until the...
Someone called.
Someone check ano rin, what do you call this? Tours.
Someone called. Somebody jump on the freeway, right?
Huh?
Did someone call that they jump on the freeway?
Oo.
Oh, yeah.
Last nakita ko sila, nag-left side sila sa off-road.
But we were at the same time with, what do you call this? With the other cruiser, right?
Hinarangan ako eh. Hinarangan ako din sa ano eh.
I saw that too.
Kukunin ko sa ano eh. Ayan din, no?
I thought you were going for the jump. But when we were there, boom, blocking.
Yeah. I thought
I have
din
in Lincoln conducting for eastbound canal.
No.
The code is one more mic.
It's good, but White Garage and off-road that sewers don't work.
Canal head eastbound, exit Dutch London, Coldport.
Doon, butos!
Good. Vectors.
Sorry na, lag talaga ano ngayon eh. Hindi siya lag eh. Kasi mataas yung speed test ko chat eh.
RTB, we have our own code.
A firm. 359 to Mike. Let's meet at the PT garage.
Sa ayang doon!
We almost had it.
Yup. Strat na kayo.
I'll be going to the meeting room already, sir.
Oh shit.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Yup.
Radio check. Radio check.
Say something about concerns what I
Morning,
also
sir.
posted. Don Pablo, change your uniform.
Please,
at least.
anong...
Change your uniform. Oh shit. Right. Don Pablo,
Ano?
change your uniform.
Change to my uniform to what, sir?
Of course, you're not fucking officer now. You got passed in the fucking exam.
Oh, we, sir! Oh,
You promoted to officer.
okay, sir. Sige, sir.
Congratulations!
Sige, sir!
You know why you're dumb? Among all
Ano
the interns that apply, only Don Pablo get the highest scores in phase 2 and phase 3.
Oh.
Yeah, he's smart. The way he answered the essay, it's bold, detailed, and he provides the fucking procedures, all of it, what I taught to academy. Yeah.
Oh.
Although I was just gonna announce it and roll call. Right? Congrats.
Thank you,
Just
sir.
letting them
Thank
know.
you.
Congrats.
Ow, sir! Ah, sir! Ah!
What the fuck?
Is this the initiation here, sir?
Please. Oh my, but on the chase, I have big head.
Yun.
earlier.
Okay na yun ako ninong bibigyan.
Sino yun?
Oh.
Nice.
Ay, sa akin yun, sorry.
Hindi nang
Wala ako
ninong ano.
I love
I'll
you,
be
sir.
sa roll call.
Yeah. Just go inside na. Para record.
Officer na ako siya, pero wala akong baguhin. Police officer.
Sa mic.
Yes.
So Mike, I just wanna ask, what's your rank, sir?
Cadet.
Cadet, okay. Thank you, sir. I'm just asking. I was gonna ask for the uniform. Thank you.
Ng ano? Uniform ng?
Actually, I'm not sure. That was stupid of me. I don't know what uniform I was gonna ask for.
Ano ka ba? Are you cadet na?
LSPD.
I actually don't know. When the Sir Lorenzo said to me I should change my uniform to officer. But what officer?
May phase 3 ka na ba?
Yes, sir.
Tapos kaya na phase 3?
Yes, sir.
Hindi ko rin get kasi lang ako to cadet.
To cadet.
Ano ka recruit?
I actually don't know, sir, because
Check employment.
no, I'm from recruit, and I know after recruit is cadet, but is cadet considered officer?
Nope.
So when I asked Sir Lorenzo, he said change uniform to officer. I think I confirm it to Sir Lorenzo.
The short sleeve.
Budget naman.
Send 1 unit.
Isa pang tariffs. Sige, magsama ka na isa.
Diyan lang po kayo sa EMS.
Isang
If you need
Adam,
assistance
para
po. Okay.
Firm, probably, sige. Technical officers can handle it. We will just give it to clinic.
Magtama kayo sa police.
EMS ako. Okay. Sige.
5 minutes. I need all officer here.
Mike,
Yes.
ano yun? Asan yun? Asan yung binigay niyo? Ayan. Ah!
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Respond ka lang po namin.
Yes, why?
Mike, sama ka nga. Ikaw magtatapos. Boiling.
Laughing.
359 Adam will respond to the distress call at Bolingbrook.
Una na ako dito.
All officers na nasa baba. Pumunta na kayo dito. Nag-roll ko.
Cheers. So, patas na ka pa. Patas. Patas na natin ka pa.
Sir, lower yan sir ah.
Inasag ko yung mga alikabok. Tapos sabay mo ano yun yan, nawawalisin. Diba? Excuse mo yung papo. Sabay mo mampan yan pare para
Officers na ba kayo dalawa? Ito nandito sa una.
Cadet pa lang ako sir.
I'm
Ano ba yung katira na?
dumi na eh.
not actually sure, sir.
Aren't you done with phase 2?
I don't know what's happening, so I'm gonna confirm solo Benzo.
Cleaning the body.
7, 8 naman yung tawag yan. Numbers.
Cleaning the body.
Gugol nung net chat, alam niyo ba yun? Pati Discord ko naglolo ko.
Sis po, yung paa po. Oy, paa niya, paa. Kasi paa. Taas ang paante. Taas ang paante.
Yo.
Cleaning the body.
Pablo.
Makapromote ako eh.
Promote ka na senior janitor.
Senior janitor.
Gusto mo ma-promote? Gusto mo promote? Sige, wait lang. Ipigil yan.
Chupa police.
Cuba Police?
Gusto mo maging chupa police.
359 Adam 10 to 3 here at Bolingbrook.
Sige, pag tayo naragabyado, i-offer namin, ha? Sabihin namin, ay, ito po, officer namin, nagchuchupa po ito, pwede itaalay na to.
Hindi, chupa police.
Sabi mo eh. Sabi mo eh.
Bastos ka.
Ay, muli sa officer na ako! Let's go! Wait lang, chat. Sorry ako.
Beses na yan, badang.
Kalm. Hey, ano? Yeah.
Ooh. Hello, bells. Hello, bells. May kwento ko kiss-kiss. Hello, bells. Sa nini stop. Siyempre, salu. Da, Mars, ang dako. Uy, legit yun.
Nyoging dito.
Sorry.
Adi, magandang
Dako nyoging ni Roy.
Ati.
7, all officers, go na to meeting room. We will have a short roll call.
Dako ka Johnson.
Hey, ano na? Hello, bells. May kwento ako, kikis. Uy, Gara bells, ang lola niya dito sa Ninista para magpain na mess doon ng mga nyoging. Pero kailangan ko mag-breakfast do, di ba? Syempre side ako.
Please, officer na ako, chat! Let's go!
Nyoging, pak. Pag-get last... Hold on. Pag-get na mess ng nyoging itong nabili, kes, pakday ang dako.
Ay, hindi.
Mars, ang dako.
359 to dispatch. Situation here at Bolingbrook is now code for
Dako ang
359 Adam
nyoging ni
Bullard.
Ned.
Ay, hindi. Ay, Sir Su! Ay, si Slick! OG.
Bakit?
Ito nga meron eh.
Ati.
Na naman.
Pagkain kayo.
Nagmamoist na naman.
Tingin ako.
Sige, Sir. Sir, kumain ka na po ba, Sir?
Hindi pa.
Kaya ka nangingi ng pagkain, di ba?
Mo ginagay niya, baka magsilos yun.
Eh, sino, Sir?
Ay.
Silos.
Baka
Sir,
naka-anti-silos to, sir.
Sir, complete package po yun, Sir. Go, go,
Baka
go!
anti-silos.
Ay, ang
Oh, yun sir na.
Uy, mamaya ka na mag-cotkit. Ano ba?
Sana all
Oo,
nyoging.
Sorry, dinig! Sorry!
Nag-cotkit ka eh. Tay-tay ka.
Dinig!
Wrong call yan, Sir.
Yan,
Dapat
ang
hindi
galing.
po kayo nagnanoknik.
Malibog yan eh.
Nanonood ka na ng mga
Libog ka
sexy
pala,
ah.
Sir.
Puro nagtitwerk pinapanood yan. Halata naman sa music na nag-play.
Bobo, ano yan?
Totoo.
My day lang yan.
Hello.
May din, Sir.
Oo, may din ni Errol Tayag.
Sino yun?
Ay, oo. Ayun, nakasulat dito eh. Magagawa ko.
Ano naman ako my day ah?
Kalbo, ready ka na ba? Oo, ready na ako.
Let's call na iba. Ano na ba oras na? Nasaan na ba eh? Ano ba yung gagawa?
Ilan ba tayo? 2, 4, 6.
Proceed na kayo to meeting room.
Dapat pa nawawala.
Womp womp womp.
Atong
Nasa-
aging gabi, ikmatik og birthday. Sa parting may handang butete. Wamibalo. Ni ay kadlo.
Classmate.
Sige,
Pareho na naman eh.
Release tayo
makahilo.
sa noisy.
Lolo mo, noisy.
No.
Respeto naman, guys.
Hintayin lang natin
Respeto
siya
naman sa
na-
president natin si Sir. Si
Please.
Sir Slick.
Number
Umiiyak
5,
na si
other
Sir
officers
Slick.
kindly proceed to second floor training room.
Paano ko nag-iyak?
Ay, di ba?
Di ba, President?
Hindi ka president, sir.
Hindi ako president.
Payakin ka namin, sir.
Payakin niyo ako?
Let me close and rig them.
Hindi ako umiiyak eh.
Yeah.
Let me
Matibay
put
akong
their
tao
nest inside their eyes.
Paano yung matibay?
Paano matibay, sir?
Matigas akong
Strong.
tao eh.
Matigas,
Ay,
paano yung matigas?
Ano yung matigas,
Matigas
sir?
na matigas.
Sir, ano yung matigas, sir?
Sikreto. Para dito.
Patingin.
Sikrito, patingin. Patingin nga, reveal nga.
Mami, ako manda kayo sakit.
Huwag na, sir. Hindi na po.
Sorry, seryo yun. Huwag ka magselos ha.
Hindi. Nagsisan din ako.
Naka-anti-silos.
Anti-silos.
Ano ka, si Jack Pubirto?
Antay-silos, we.
Naka-anti-silos to.
Kala ko talaga may ate selos dito kay Claudio. Ulul! Wala ka malukot dito.
Bang. Seryo yun, magpatrol tayo mamaya. Sama mo ako ba? Sama kita.
Sige ba?
Hanap tayo babae.
Ay, wag. Wag yun.
Babody hop ko kayo, si Raulo.
Wag yun.
Babalik ko yung body hop
Wag
ngayon.
yun.
Hindi ko yung pagsasamahin, dalawa kayong HSC eh.
Ilang babae kaya mo sa isang araw?
Ako?
Ayan.
Good question.
Mga binti. Pwede na.
Gag!
Question, please daw.
Gago mo na tumikom yung kamay ni ano. Tumikom yung kamay ni Claudio. Gagalit.
Hindi 20, hindi 20. Mga 43.
Ah, 43.
43 ba?
Ikaw, Sir Slick.
Ako? Ano yung tanong mo?
Ilang babae kaya mo sa isang araw?
Ako? 1,000 GT mil.
Ay, ang dami po.
Wala ka pala
Ayun
yun.
ka.
World record. Pay talaga.
Oh, mahaba yung baba mo. Eh, sinungaling ka.
Mong Pinocchio, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Kilang.
pili nga pong tips yan, sir.
Anong tips?
Alright,
Dulo?
this is all of the officers so
Ano
they
ba?
can start even though there's
Pinapanalangin
some
ko
chips
kayo,
on you.
sir.
Alright, everyone.
Basbasan niyo po ako.
Uy, sumunod daw
Uy,
mo.
makinig ka na daw.
Sorry na, classmate. Opo.
Lang. Sa ko lang bunganga ko. Alright, this will be a short roll call. As usual. Gagaya lang natin yung kay Sir Ethan. Ano yung bago? Ano yung nangyari? Ano yung mga dapat natin gawin? Alright. Ano yung mga nangyari kanina? Kanina umaga? Do you have any report? Kanina umaga, tanghali, hapon? Anyone?
Sir, wala naman pong meron nung umaga. Kanina pa po kami naka-duty. Wala po. Tanghali, wala din.
Ano lang po, meron po akong concern, sir.
Yeah. Proceed, yes.
Ano po, mabagal pong mag-respond yung ibang officer natin ni pagka ano po, kanina pa pong umaga yon sir. Available naman sila, hindi naman sila nagti-10-7, kumbaga 10-8 naman sila. Pero hindi sila nagre-respond agad.
If someone na ng ganyan, make sure na ilista niyo yung pangalan nila, give it to the supervisor. And yeah, let's see if anong gagawin ng mga supervisor. Kakasapin sila na, okay? Okay, what's new? New bolo, new warrant. Ano meron? Meron ba? Wala. Okay, as of now, we have a lot of warrant. Kung mapapansin nyo naman, marami tayong warrant, marami din tayong bolo. Okay, for now, ang target nyo, as a patrol officers, I want all of you to prioritize, okay? Mag-prioritize kayo sa pag-pull over. So, para makita natin if ever na kung sino itong mga to. If ever na makikita nyo, mapupull over nyo, call for immediate 78. Especially dito sa mga may warrant. Since most of it is the one na na galing from the jailbreak. Naintindihan ba yun lahat?
Yes
Opo.
po.
Input!
Alright, okay. Meron kami na meeting. Ako, si head ng HSU, which is si Sir Frank, and also si Chief. So now, we're gonna make it strict para lalo na dun sa mga tumakas ng Bolingbroke. They would be considered as high-profile fugitive. Sabihin na natin, okay? Especially Yoli McBee. Yesterday, throw a grenade on our patrol officers. So every time na may mapupull over kayo, ako code 5 kayo, I want all of you guys to make a code 5 agad. Hingi kayo ng 78.
Makita ko lang yun, sir. Kaya harap ko sa'yo.
Especially sa mga HSU, I want HSU to become ready, okay? Halimbawa na
Input,
mangyayari
I am
yun.
ready!
Halimbawa na mangyayari yun, HSU will prioritize that one. And also ESD. Maliwanag?
Copy.
Eh sir, may tanong pala ako about sa mga fugitive.
Send it.
Kanina pala may pinalaya kami na si Pepe Mondragon. Tama ba yun? Nag-bail siya?
Yeah.
Kasi
I think
kanina
yesterday-
nagpa-help siya sa amin eh. Tapos,
Ano ba nangyari doon, Lorenzo, kapon? Wala ako doon
I
kapon
don't
eh.
know. Parang napag-usapan na siguro yun eh.
Yeah.
Kay Pep.
I think na-deal na yung kay Pepe yesterday with the judge and also kina Kome. Tama ba? Kina Chief?
hindi, ang concern niya kasi sir, di ba dinala na siya ulit sa boiling?
Yes.
Kasi di ba nag-bail siya, tapos nung pagising niya daw,
Nasa boiling na ulit.
Nasa boiling ulit siya, tapos 9K months ulit. So, tinulungan namin kanina, and para sigurado lang din, kaya sinabi ko. Kasi baka mali kami na ginawa.
Hindi na natin kasalanan yun. Ano yun, higher government na yun.
Hindi, I mean, tinulungan namin siyang lumaya, oo.
Hours, I'm just going to talk to Chief about that, okay?
Okay po.
Okay. Next, ano pa ba? Lorenzo, do you have anything to say?
Yeah.
Remember the body up system, okay?
Alright, I'll be starting the body up system. So, Allison, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Are you willing to do phase 3 of Mike Hawk?
Yep.
Uy, may
Alright,
cock
so
daw.
I'll be budding up you with Mike Hawk. So, Romero, you're gonna buddy up with me. Then Don Pablo. Wait, we have HSU here. HSUs. We got 2 HSU, right?
sir.
Slick and Yoli.
Yoyi.
Sorry.
Hindi po Yoli, sir. Hindi po Yoli.
Oh,
Yoli
Yoli.
po.
Kala
Yoli.
ko tabi na silang dalawa.
Sino yun?
It's either
Si Yoli talaga eh. Yoli McQueen. No?
HSUs. It's either if you want to take Don Pablo, just ride along with the HSU. Okay.
Yes,
Then Reese Mills. Reese Mills. All right, there you go. Reese Mills. Ride along with Don Pablo instead. Happy?
Yes,
Alright,
if I'm...
then my concern to make so that we can finish this early. Officers, interns, recruits, cadets, and officers. So if you can't handle any situation, for example, traffic stop, and you can't handle situation, you are feel free to call the supervisor or your sergeant. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it. Don Pablo,
Input.
Romero, Michael.
Yes, sir.
Alright, the supervisor is willing to help your situation, so don't be shy to call them in the radio. So now promotion. I would like to promote Don Pablo for passing the cadet final exam. So Don Pablo, congratulations, you will be promoted to an officer. And of course, you need to keep it up and do your best.
Yes,
Always,
sir.
Don Pablo.
Understood.
You can change your uniform now.
Congrats,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Congrats,
Pwede ka na
Pablo.
magsumbong, sir.
Actually,
Lastly,
dagdag ko lang.
if
Pwede
it
ka
doesn't
na maging
guys-
gangster.
Si Don Pablo, isa siya sa may pinaka-highest na nakuha sa
Yes, he's cadets
cum laude.
who get the high grades and also one of the best performers.
Sabi ko eh, pag nagsama ka sa akin nung una, wala ka matutunan eh. Tingnan mo, hindi ka nagsama sa akin. Hayos ka tuloy.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. So,
You should thank me. I'm your TO.
Regam, do you wanna add something before I end this roll call? Oh shit,
I'm
you're
just
the
gonna
one who's
end
supposed to
this.
end this roll call.
Alright. Okay. Nabadi up na lahat, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Speed.
Narinig mo sino ba?
Panghuli tayo ng mga bobo. Go ahead.
Bobo.
Roll call dismiss.
Alright.
Thank you, sir.
Yo, hulihin si Yoli.
Sino kasama ko?
Hulihin si Yoli.
Ang huli daw ng bobo, no?
Oo.
Huli ka. Huli ka.
Huwag ka ginawa.
Huli ka.
Huli pala ng bobo.
Kami.
Daling.
Ang walang binadi up sa akin. Sulo
Tayo,
ako.
body
Sulo.
tayo to, body.
Bawal, sir.
Body tayo.
Bawal nga, sir. HSU ka, sir.
Morning.
HSU ka, sir. Ay,
Ay, hindi,
nakasama ko sa
mag-ano ka, di ba? Magkakondak ka ng code 3. Ay, ano, code 3 tuloy. Ano yan? Oo, phase 3.
Sino kasama ko? May sinabi ba?
But you have an active to 90 Barbera. Si Allison ata.
Allison.
Ah.
Oh.
Please be advised, we have an active 1090 at Chumash. All available 41s, please respond. Tara, ikaw mag-drive. Ano, Don Pablo? Mabigat ang aking utak.
If
Ayan. Kama?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pagas muna tayo, tapos... Yun ka po, ipitik ako. Pagas lang muna tayo, tapos expand tayo, tapos 10-9.
If
Sa after no, nagpalit ka na ng uniform sa mga kata.
if do I change codes first or we respond to the 1090 now?
Expand muna tayo, tapos priority muna eh. Chumash. 359 Adam, 76 to the active 1090 at Chumash, requesting for 70.
Ma'am, how is your day, ma'am?
314 Lincoln.
Will be responding to the latest tonight.
Kakabalik lang.
Kung ma'am, what did you do?
Ha?
Very busy?
Gawa ako.
Oh.
Nagpahinga muna. Pahinga. Kasi masyado akong naging masongit sa mga tao. This past few days, kaya nagpahinga muna ako.
Oh, I noticed too that, ma'am.
Mabilis man ako matrigger. Kaya, ayun, pahinga muna. Baka mamaya, mabali pa ng impression yung iba. Hirap na.
It's okay, ma'am. I told them it's okay. It's part of our training program. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Yeah, always expect them to go to the right.
Wow!
Dito sir, responding to Barbareno Adam.
Affirm 359 Adam 10 to 3 here at the active 1090 at Chumash. Vehicle description is a 2-door black and color sports car.
I think this is,
Diba?
yes, this is Calico.
Vehicle is a black Calico 2-door requesting for 78 and agencies.
317 to and 1041 show within 8.
All responders at the 1090 at Chumash, please switch to radio frequency 1.1. I repeat, all responders at 1090 here at Chumash, change to radio frequency 1.1.
10-2. Ma'am Wiz, I'll be getting the evidence already, okay?
Sure.
Hali ko to.
Yes, sir.
Di ba ito Calico?
Kaliko.
Kaliko.
Kalikot.
Uy, sino magaling?
Mahilig ka sa kalikot? Kaliko? I mean,
Pwede din.
kaliko.
Tuwan-tuwa ka, tratado ka.
Please be advised there are 2 suspects inside, 1 armed and 1 still unknown.
C 43MC.
Iwan po to
Ano ulit last name mo? Yes. Sit tight for
Sayang wala kayo kanina, Sir Slick.
Timothy, may back.
Ano, yung switch nila, kaliko din. Oo.
Switch kayo sa MD. Sure you want.
Ako eh. Oh, di ba may cheese din nun? Nasa Suba. Tapos may cheese din kami ni Mana. Tapos yung switch, ganyan din. One on one talaga. Yung isa na habol, yung isa na stop ako. Ahon siya, tapos meron ako maliit. Tapos bigyan mo maliit kasi. Yan. Kailangan nyo, hindi ko mag-backpack yung ginahabol.
Found it, Timothy Maybach.
What is the name of the hostage now?
Timothy Maybach. Wait lang, di TPM ka.
If Timothy Maybach. 1.1 negotiate 1 mil. Sakay with the suspect hostage.
Video check.
Tendo.
Pagas lang ako.
Affirm.
Tabak eh.
Si Ryan. Okay.
Siya mag-secondary.
Pablo, hindi mo nagpalit?
Okay.
No, ma'am, we said to respond first and change later.
Yeah.
After nito, magaan. Papalitin ko na yun.
Yes, ma'am.
Ang mahalaga officer at heart. Asos.
Oh! Officer at heart. Ma'am, don't worry, you're in my heart too.
Oh.
Huh?
Oh.
Every officer is in my heart. We
Ah.
together as one.
Baka man lalong humaba yung baba ko eh. Pag mabasa eh.
Kasi tutubo.
Saka baka dumami ako eh. Nabasa. Parang gremlins.
Good evening, OG. Thank you for
Congrats,
not.
congrats.
Thank you for not bringing me with you always.
Yeah, I told you.
Because of you, I've learned a lot. I did not learn the word nothing.
See?
Yes,
That's
it
your
is.
first step.
Yes, because of you, I succeeded. That was the very first step in accomplishing
Yes.
everything.
True.
To never
That
learn
is
nothing.
a word of wisdom from me.
Thank you very much, sir. I will pass this on.
Yes.
I will pass
And
this on.
if you are already an officer or what, you know, pag higher command and you have a new intern or cadet, just teach them nothing, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
It's very useful. You don't get blamed. You don't get asked. Nothing.
True. You just learn nothing, and you will learn everything.
That's actually still.
Please
Take
be
this, sir.
advised, suspects are done. I need all units to be ready.
Abang na lang ako dito sa Great Ocean.
A for all units get ready. Who will take primary?
314 Lincoln. We'll take the primary.
A for Raya. Sir Ryan, just take secondary when you can.
Safer.
The rest take tertiary and parallel. 359 Adam will secure the hostage.
Please.
Please be advised, suspect demands are free
Good luck, sir.
passage and
Good
not
luck,
five
ma'am.
trips. All units be ready. I'll be giving them the green.
Tempo.
Ryan, what was it?
Good
Ryan?
luck, OG. Get them, OG. Ah!
Oh no! Oh no!
Angina mo! Sumuko ka na!
Susuko na ako!
Dead by suspects are leaving. The driver is the one wearing the helmet with highlights.
I'll check the inside then.
Okay. Good morning, sir. My name is Officer Don Pablo. Badge number is 399. Just for safety protocol, I would have to search you, sir, just in case the suspects are blood. Do you give me consent, sir?
Yes. Kailangan ba mag-task mo?
Yes, can you put your hands up, sir? Thank you, sir, for cooperating. I appreciate you very much.
Continuing Great Ocean.
Everything seems good, sir. Just be careful with your hammer. You might hurt someone.
With a left turn. Positioning
Officer, can you drop me off?
Oh yes, no problem, sir. We will just
Tracking? Yeah, because I'm driving a truck right.
no problem, sir. We just secure the area, okay?
Okay, sure. No problem.
Really. Eastbound. Right turn. South eastbound. Left. Prosperity Street. With a quick right turn. West Street. Quick left turn. North eastbound. Boulevard del Perro. Left. Grange Drive. Right. Wind machine.
Can you stay in the back seat, sir?
Continuing west. Exit Boulevard.
Back seat, sure.
Sarah?
Patch. Continuing east.
Chief, pwede ba sa ano na lang? Sa apartment?
No
Yeah, sure.
problem.
With a right turn. Southbound. Las Lagunas.
Make evidence loss at the stand-up.
Go ahead.
With a left.
Disregard.
Left again. Hostal. Laguna. Right, exiting at eastbound. To the left. Alta. That big one. With the left turn. Westbound, Quinto. Right. Exit Boulevard again. Left.
Ito, nagtatalunan yung mga tao. What the fuck?
Vitus. Left.
Ako lang ba? Kasi mo na FPS ko. Taas ang ping ko. 115.
Southbound, Alta. Kasi, southbound, Alta, passing by Scrap. With the left, positioning at overpower.
Papunta apartment. Saan ka?
Left again, eastbound, San Andres.
Autos. Sige, sige.
Left, exit northwestbound. Exit Alta.
Pwede ba sa autos na lang?
Alpero.
Sige, sir.
Thank you.
No problem.
Ito kasi yung ano ko yung friend ko. May client kasi kami minute.
Hindi ka na medyo maibig sa amin.
Ako maibig sa ibig. Transitioning at Olympic Freeway. Mabangga siya na hindi natatal pa rin. Eastbound, Olympic Freeway. Off-ramp, transitioning at Strawberry Avenue. Right. Left, 1050, northeastbound, Incense. Transitioning at northbound, Strawberry Avenue. Left, Legion Square, northwestbound, Adams Apple Boulevard. Passing by apartment. Entering apartment garage.
Ito lang, Chief. Thank you.
One adjo.
Have a good day.
Take care, sir. Take care.
Thank you, thank you.
Ingat na lang tayo, sir, susunod. Balik na tayo to.
Paaday, ma'am.
Ayan, Alta Street. Diretso silang Alta Street. Padiretso silang Facebook.
To the left turn, Fuji Cat Cafe.
Continuing
Liko. Southbound, Lai, David.
Iko ka na dito.
San Andres. Scratch Avenue.
Kita mo na.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Continuing eastbound, passing by PDM. With the left turn, Strawberry Avenue. Continuing northbound, Elgin. Left turn, approaching lower power. Oh, it's SPP hard. Still mobile.
Blocking ahead.
Mabablock nyo dyan. Nice block.
Blocking ahead.
Nice valve. Nice two. To the right, westbound. Vespucci Boulevard. Left. They're here at the All Job Center, southbound, Alta Street. To the right, approaching Cat Cafe, westbound, Adams Apple Boulevard. To the right turn, possible approaching Wild Garage. Northbound, Lai, sabi. Approaching Wild Garage, 1050. In mobile, pamayong turn. Continuing eastbound, Vespucci Boulevard. With the left, here at Peaceful Street. Passing by Alcages, northbound, Vespucci Boulevard. Left turn, entering to Rockford Plaza. Westbound. Exiting Rockford Plaza, continuing straight west to Scratch, entering the Old Mechanic, northwestbound Carson Road. With the right again. Here
Blocking ahead.
Eastbound Way, right again. Nice block, good block. With the right.
Babol lang yung kumama sa akin sa mata ko.
What, ma'am?
Ang kitin ng kutin sa akin. Hindi talaga ako pwede mag-drive. Stop nyo at
To the left. Eastbound Palomino.
Pinggan ko pala 150.
Blocking ahead.
Continuing east. Entering Red Garage. And taking primary. At the garage, positioning at lower the board.
Me too.
Banska Sunny? Or diniretso nyo
We're
dito?
here
Oops!
Innocence. Oy! Oy!
My bad.
Tapos siya. With the left.
Tapos okay. Pag ganun, full brakes ka. Handbrake pala.
Approaching Legion.
Lethal, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay, madulas din eh. Umuulan.
Yeah, I tried my best.
Entering alleyway at the park. Exiting at northbound. Bus leak. Ano ba si leak?
Try to catching up yata siya. Okay, we're gonna take secondary. With the left power.
Daddy taking comms, we're now at the Power Street. Turn an alleyway and
Advancing
Power
kami.
Street. Secondary will be advancing. Wait. Alright, return to catch up.
About 1050 hard.
Sunny sila. Consider click Sarar.
Kailangan ko ng secondary para mag-iba.
Nasaan kaya yun?
Secondary hapay.
Secondary have eyes around Davis up, pick left. Another left. I'm doing the stairs here to McDonald's.
Plus kayo? Hindi, ako naka. At ako, exiting southbound. Exiting southbound. Middle left.
Flagging ahead, I have ice.
Along ice ako, bigla
Ipis.
straight ahead. Exiting freeway. Exiting at sanitation.
Am I jumping in your ice, ma'am?
What's the sanitation?
Sakto lang.
Full Alberta. Villa Vice. Northbound, lower Alberta.
Try to catch up.
Full distance, lower Alberta. Possible jump pa freeway. Advance kayo. Rat. Del Perro. Field.
We're now at La Puerta Freeway, southeast.
Ready, Raj. Jump. Raj.
So, we've got traverse of lane at La Puerta going off ramp. Now, off-road, the
May tagay. Papayutin.
Papayutin.
Paper.
Incorrect lane.
Paper.
Pushing incorrect
I have
lane.
long eyes. Okay, ha? Okay, ako. Push ako ng Laberta. PCP.
Alright, I'm trying to check is Palmina out to Ginger.